Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to generate a PDF from Airtable data, perfect for sharing and saving your records in a clean and printable format. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for airtable.com. Once you are in, at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. Log in with your credentials, and once you are logged in, you will land on the Airtable workspace. Now open the base you want to export data from. Inside your base, switch to the grid view. This will give you a spreadsheet like layout that's perfect for printing. Now, from the drop down menu, select the print view option. This will open a pop up window. Review your layout and make any adjustment needed before printing. Once you're done with all of this, click on the print button. This will open a new window. Now, here from the drop down menu, select your printer as Save as PDF. Now, once you're done with all of this, click on the Save button and this will open your File Explorer where you want to select your file. Select the folder and click on the Save button. And that's it. You have successfully turned your Airtable data into a polished PDF format. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.